Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Natalie and today we're making the easiest vegan cheese sauce in the world. This stuff is so good, I make it all the time, and the best part is that you only need 3 ingredients, no fancy equipment, and it takes less than 5 minutes to make. I got this recipe from ellavegan.com and it quickly became my favorite because it's so easy and I'm lazy. The first thing you're going to need is nutritional yeast, which gives it a nutty, cheesy flavor. If you're vegan, you probably already have this. Next, we need full-fat coconut milk, which does give it a hint of coconut flavor. If you're not into that, you can use another plant-based milk. The higher fat content, the better. Last but not least, tapioca flour, which I had never heard of before. The hardest part about this recipe is buying tapioca flour, but you can click the link in the description below and order it today. This gives the cheese that nice stretchy stretch that we all know and love. For spices, you can use garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper, or whatever you like. I usually make this for Mexican food, so I love to keep it simple and just throw in some taco seasoning. Combine all ingredients into a small pot, stir it up all nice, and get ready to make some cheese. Put the pot on a skillet and turn up that heat. Grab a whisk and stir, and stir, and stir. After a couple minutes, it'll start to boil, then you just turn down the heat, let it simmer for another minute, and guess what? You're done. All right, let's try it. This stuff is seriously so good. And as for how to use it, the possibilities are endless. You can make quesadillas, nachos, mac and cheese, or just eat it straight out of the bowl. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you test this out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. See you in the next video.